Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I was just made a video on how to create this. And before I deleted it, I thought, you know what, that would make a pretty cool 3D effect. So I'm going to get the three-point curve line, and I'm going to go from about that node down to there. And the only thing I really care about is that it kind of mimics that line, which it's not. So I can get my shape tool and just kind of bring it out. Kind of hard to do it because you can't really see the handle from up here, but I just want it. I could bring the node closer, and that's probably what I'll do. I'll just bring this thing closer to the edge. But I want this to be, that's why I wanted it down here. I want a continuous line. So it looks like that'll work right there. So what we're going to do, and because I'm working in the center of the page, I'm going to Control D, Alternate C would put it in the center, and I'm going to rotate it 120 degrees. That put it there. I don't need to go all the way around. You could, but it doesn't really help you. Now I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to try that blue right there. Now what I want to do is take my interactive fill tool and just kind of go up more so to this angle, and I'm just going to put a little darkness in there, maybe a little bit more. And that's too much. I can always make it come darker longer. And let's go with that. Now that we have that, what I'm going to do is, my nudge factor is still set on 5 inches. I'm going to nudge that out of the way, and I'm going to nudge this just completely out of the way. So now I'm going to nudge that back. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, Alternate C to put it to the center and rotate it 120 degrees, and Control D. So something so simple makes it look pretty good. It looks like it's kind of, I would maybe redo this right here. It's kind of abrupt edge. Maybe bring that line down further here. But for the video, that's good enough. Take a black box, turn it black, object, order, back of page. And it really makes it pop. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.